Okay, I thought maybe I would do a super quick farm tour today. I need manure. This is aged cow manure that we get from the dairy cows. I need to find a shovel. This garden is staring at me. It needs to be de-weeded and redone completely, and it's just gonna have to be on my list of things to do because I don't have time right now, but in a couple of weeks. This is my dahlia breeding patch, and how exciting is this? I've already covered 3 different plants with bloom buds on them. So soon I will see what this brand new dahlia looks like. Never before seen, grown from seed by me this winter. And also I keep keeping an eye out on this guy because look, variegated leaves. I've never had a dahlia pop up in my breeding patch that has variegated coloring on its leaves. I mean, it has to have a good bloom to go with it, but we'll see in I don't know, a month or 2. I have all these baby pumpkins that just came out in my home garden because of my compost I used from my home composter. Oh, look. Foxtail lilies are starting to bloom. Nice. Just walking to my back garden. It's part my garden, part my mom's veggie garden. Lots of fun things blooming along the way. Got our over 100-year-old Macintosh apple trees back here. There's 3 of them. I have a garden bed here with biennials for next year. These are my lilies. It's gotten really taken over by weeds, so I'm trying to fix that. Down here is where all the babies are. Look at these cute sunflowers all starting to come up down this row. This guy is Pro-Cut Orange. Pro-Cut Orange. And then there's a couple different varieties in this row. Look how cute and tiny they are. I think this is a good spot to put a couple rogue pumpkins and we'll see what they turn into. So I dig my hole and then I throw a bit of sheep's wool in each one. I got that from the wool growers in Carleton Place. And I've been using it to mulch and to put in as a natural fertilizer in my plots. All right, let's go with this guy. There's 2. Yay. Let's see what they do. So I'm companion planting these pumpkins with some dahlias. Clearview peaches in there. I just planted these dahlias yesterday and I'm going to be planting more in here. I was just burning the holes in my fabric today so that I can plant tubers tomorrow. But I think they should be a good companion plant. So I'm thinking that the pumpkins will grow down below with the straw and like act like ground cover and help keep the ground cool. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really hot this August, and last year was a drought. So companion planting can be really helpful, and I'm mulching everything this year. Notice how I have sheep's wool. I'm using that as mulch too, and all this straw. I have to get more straw laid out, but that will help keep the ground cool and also help it retain moisture. And then next year, this organic material will be put back into the garden to help keep my soil healthy and fertile. These are all my little cosmos babies growing. Hello, darlings. More over here, some different varieties. And we got some more babies here. That's corn cockle, I believe. And then can't remember if these are soapwort. Yeah, because I don't think they're zinnias. I have some baby zinnias coming up in here. That's nice. And some weeding I need to do. Not a lot though. This dahlia is getting quite large. I only planted her last week, but I think it's time I pinch her, so I'm just gonna do that. Say goodbye to this so we can get some growth coming to those side buds there. Oh, that one's kind of young. I don't know if I should do that one yet, but oh, and that one's already done. Then over here, I have some status, corn cockle, snapdragons. This is a mix of stuff I just kind of had left over that I needed to get in the ground. I got a lot of Lysianthus in here too. Oh, I got some blue bachelor buttons coming up here. That's fun to find. Let's go see how the raspberries are doing. I think they really liked that rain that we just got. All the flowers are going and they're starting to form fruit. Oh yeah, that's awesome. It's warm out today, but this is like one of my favorite places in the whole world. Isn't it beautiful? It's the sugar shack for maple syrup. Phoebe's planted underneath this apple tree here, so she's always with me when I'm in the garden. So this is a long game. Those little sunflower babies I showed you will hopefully be blooming mid to end of August, and I will keep doing successions, more rows of them over the next couple weeks so that I have more in September. And yeah, it's important to remember that your flowers, like there was quite a long process that went into them before they became ready. This dahlia bed here, I'll be excited if I have the first few blooms coming in July. And then I will cut those and it'll take the plant another couple weeks to make more. And then hopefully by then the plants are full sized and giving me a couple of blooms at a time instead of just one. And then September they will be really going. Oh yeah, my little gladiola bed that my mom planted one of my dahlias right in the middle of. That's companion planting. The bumblebees are loving the baptisia right now. Like the big fluffy bumblebees are what I'm seeing at them. I love them. They're so fuzzy. He literally went to every single one in order. There's the ladies. Hi guys. So I'm on peony duty still. This guy should be ready to go. I cut it at that stage so that I can store them in the fridge for 4 to 6 weeks. This guy, I've already done most of them. There's just these 2 left. And I got a bunch on this guy still. That's ready to go. Oh yeah, we got some beneficial insects. This is why I don't spray bugs on any of my plants, because that ladybug will eat the bad bugs that I don't want. And if I spray for any bad bugs, it kills the good bugs too, and we don't want that. Bye, farm.